Welcome to interesting information. Today we are going to see about animals. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. Second point. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Third point. Slugs have 4 noses. Fourth point. Elephants are the only animal that cannot jump. Fun facts about animal to make you smile. Squirrels are irresponsible for planting thousands of trees worldwide. Dragonflies create a heart with their tails while mating. Rat laughs when tickled. Ducks love to surf, while chimpanzees enjoy getting tipsy. Amazing cute animal facts. Rats and mice are actually ticklish. Some turtles can breathe out of their butts. Crow are prankster. They have been observed actually playing tricks on each other. Honeybees can communicate through dance. Every every cow has best friend and they hang out every day. Special animals that are having more fun than you. Dolphins. Nearly you wonders what is would be like to be a dolphin. One Eagles has grounder terrestrial creatures were hopelessly envious of birds. Leech has 32 brains. A leech internal structure is segregated into 32 separate segments, and each of these segments has its own brain. Leech in an animal, they have segments. Smartest animal list: crow, pig, octopi, African grey parrots, elephant, chimpanzee, organto.